Today we made creamy pasta with homemade cream. I started off by making the cream because I could not find it in the market. So in a pot, I went in with some margarine. Some people use butter, but margarine was what I had. I allowed that to dissolve very well. Then I went in with dissolved powdered milk. This is 2 cups of powdered milk and 2 cups of water. I went in with that and I allowed it to cook on low heat while I continue to stir to avoid having too much lumps in it. At the point, it began to release some foam, so I had to uncover it. I just went in with some cornstarch to thicken it up a bit, and look at how thick it is right now. Then I popped it into my blender to give it a smooth texture. I forgot to record that part. Once the cooking cream was out of the way, I began to prep my pasta by pre-cooking it in a pot of boiling water. After like 5 minutes, it was ready. Then in my pan, I went in with some margarine and some onions, which I sauteed for a few minutes or a few seconds. Then I went in with some finely diced hot dog. I sauteed that with the onions before going in with the chicken, which I had diced into tiny pieces and pre-cooked already. So I sauteed this for a couple of minutes before going in with thyme and curry. Then I also added fresh pepper and some ginger. This pepper was so hot. Then I cooked that or stir-fried that for some time before going in with my seasoning cubes. At the point, I had to transfer it into a pot because the pan was too small. Then I added my cooking cream, the one we just did earlier. I stirred, then covered and allowed it to cook for like 5 minutes before going in with the pre-cooked pasta, after which I gave it a thorough stir to make sure that all the ingredients get into the pasta. Then I covered it for a little while before I went in with the bell peppers to give it a pop of fine colors, and food was ready. Look at how yummy that looks. This food was so delicious. I enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.